Are you feeling tired, bloated, and struggling with persistent infections? You might be dealing with a sneaky, serious fungal invader called Candida.
A potentially deadly infection from a fungus is spreading, with the CDC now sounding the alarm tonight, warning people this is serious for older folks, like if you have a parent or a grandparent in a nursing home.
Right now, the CDC is monitoring the rise of a fungal infection, which can be deadly. Texas has reported 160 cases of Candida auris over the last year.
Fungus, Candida auris, is a form of yeast that easily circulates and can infect wounds.
But don't worry. In this video, we'll explore how to kick Candida to the curb and reclaim your health using natural methods and powerful antifungal herbs. Get ready to transform your gut and boost your energy. Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Candida overgrowth and how to fix it naturally. So grab a cup of herbal tea and let's get started. Now, before we jump in, let's talk about what Candida actually is. Candida is a type of yeast that naturally lives in our bodies, particularly in areas like our mouth, intestines, and, for women, the vagina. In small amounts, it's harmless, but when Candida decides to throw a party and invite all its fungal friends, that's when problems start. So how do you know if you're dealing with a Candida overgrowth? Well, there are some telltale signs. 1. Persistent fatigue. 2. Brain fog, like your thoughts are swimming through molasses. 3. Digestive issues, bloating, gas, constipation. 4. Recurring yeast infections or urinary tract infections. 5. Sugar cravings that won't quit. 6. Skin issues like eczema or psoriasis. 7. Mood swings or anxiety. If you're nodding along to these symptoms, don't panic. We're about to arm you with the knowledge to fight back against Candida. Now, you might be wondering, how did I end up with a Candida problem in the first place? Well, there are several factors that can contribute to Candida overgrowth. 1. A diet high in sugar and refined carbs. Candida loves sugar more than kids love candy. 2. Overuse of antibiotics. They wipe out good bacteria along with the bad. 3. Chronic stress. It weakens your immune system. 4. Hormonal imbalances. 5. A weakened immune system. The good news is that there are natural ways to combat Candida and restore balance to your body. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Starve the Candida. The first step in fighting Candida is to stop feeding it. This means cutting out its favorite foods. Sugar, including natural sugars like fruit, refined carbohydrates, alcohol, processed foods. Instead, focus on eating leafy greens, non-starchy vegetables, healthy fats like avocado and coconut oil, lean proteins, probiotic-rich foods like sauerkraut and kimchi. This dietary change might feel tough at first, but remember, you're not just avoiding foods. You're choosing to nourish your body and starve the Candida. It's a powerful first step. Step 2. Boost your immune system. A strong immune system is your best defense against Candida overgrowth. Here's how to give it a boost. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. Exercise regularly, but don't overdo it. Manage stress through meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Stay hydrated. Consider supplements like vitamin C, vitamin D, and zinc. Step 3. Restore gut balance. Candida thrives when your gut bacteria are out of whack. To restore balance, we'll take a high-quality probiotic supplement. Eat prebiotic foods like garlic, onions, and asparagus. Consider supplementing with L-glutamine to support gut lining health. Step 4. Embrace antifungal herbs. Now let's talk about nature's secret weapons against Candida, antifungal herbs. These powerful plants can help knock out Candida and prevent it from coming back. Certainly. Let's dive deeper into why these antifungal herbs are effective against Candida overgrowth. 1. Oregano oil. Oregano oil contains 2 powerful compounds, carvacrol and thymol. These compounds have strong antifungal properties that can disrupt the cell membranes of Candida yeast. This essentially causes the yeast cells to break down and die off. Oregano oil also has the ability to inhibit the growth and spread of Candida. Studies have shown it to be effective against even drug-resistant strains of Candida. 2. Garlic. Garlic's antifungal power comes from a compound called allicin. When garlic is crushed or chopped, it releases allicin, which has been shown to inhibit the growth of Candida albicans. Garlic also boosts the immune system, helping your body fight off the fungal overgrowth more effectively. It's like giving your internal army a power-up against the Candida invaders. 3. Paudarco. This herb contains compounds called naphthoquinones, particularly lapachol and beta-lapachone. These compounds have antifungal, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. Pau d'Arco works by disrupting the metabolism of the fungal cells, making it difficult for them to survive and reproduce. 4. Caprylic acid. Found naturally in coconut oil, caprylic acid is a medium-chain fatty acid that can penetrate the cell walls of Candida yeast. Once inside, it disrupts the pH balance of the yeast cells, causing them to die. It's like a secret agent that infiltrates the Candida fortress and takes it down from the inside. 5. Berberine. This compound, found in plants like golden seal and Oregon grape, has potent antifungal properties. Berberine works by inhibiting enzymes that Candida needs to survive and spread. It also enhances your immune system's ability to fight off the infection. Think of it as a double whammy against Candida. 6. Grapefruit seed extract. The extract from grapefruit seeds contains compounds that can alter the membranes of fungal cells, making it difficult for them to survive. It also seems to work synergistically with other antifungals, enhancing their effectiveness. 7. Olive leaf extract. The active compound in olive leaf extract is oleuropein, which breaks down into elenolic acid. This acid has powerful antifungal properties and can inhibit the growth and spread of Candida. Olive leaf extract also supports the immune system, giving your body extra help in fighting off the overgrowth. These herbs are effective because they attack Candida in multiple ways, disrupting cell membranes, inhibiting growth and reproduction, altering the internal environment of fungal cells, boosting the immune system. It's like having a multi-pronged approach to dealing with Candida overgrowth. While pharmaceutical antifungals often work in one specific way, these natural herbs can attack the problem from various angles, making them a powerful tool in your anti-Candida arsenal. Remember, while these herbs are potent, it's always best to use them under the guidance of a healthcare professional, especially if you're dealing with severe Candida overgrowth or have other health conditions. Step 5. Manage die-off symptoms. As you start fighting Candida, you might experience what's called die-off symptoms. This happens when Candida cells break down and release toxins. Symptoms can include fatigue, headaches, body aches, skin breakouts. Don't worry, this is actually a good sign that the treatment is working. To manage these symptoms, stay hydrated, get plenty of rest. Support your liver with herbs like milk thistle. Consider activated charcoal to help bind and remove toxins. Step 6. Prevent future overgrowth. Once you've got Candida under control, you'll want to keep it that way. Here are some tips for long-term prevention. Maintain a balanced diet low in sugar and processed foods. Manage stress levels. Use antibiotics only when necessary. Support your immune system. Consider periodic maintenance doses of antifungal herbs. Now, I know we've covered a lot of information here. Beating Candida overgrowth is a journey, not a sprint. Be patient with yourself and remember that everyone's path to healing is unique. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that while these natural methods can be incredibly effective, it's always important to work with a healthcare provider, especially if you have severe symptoms or underlying health conditions. And that's it for today's deep dive into Candida overgrowth. I hope you found this information helpful and empowering. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness content.